Hey, 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 look who's walking my way.
Oh, come on, Alex. You make it sound like a movie scene.
Well, you did appear with a big smile and a water bottle. Very dramatic.
That's because I just finished my morning walk, feeling fresh and full of energy.
Morning walk? Wow, look at you. Healthy and active?
Thank you, thank you. I'm trying to take care of myself. You know, walking is good for health.
Yeah, I've heard that too. But honestly, I'm more of a sleeping for health kind of person.
Sleeping is good, but walking is better.
Better? I'm not sure about that. Let's talk about it. Maybe you can convince me.
Deal. Today's topic, walking for health.
Perfect. Let's walk through this topic together, step by step.
Nice pun, Alex. I'm proud of you already.
Okay, first question. Why walking? Why not running or cycling or sleeping?
Because walking is simple. You don't need equipment, you don't need a gym, you just need your legs.
That's true. Everyone has legs.
Exactly. It's easy, free, and you can do it anywhere.
Okay. But does walking really make a big difference?
Yes, walking can improve your heart health, help control your weight, reduce stress, and even make you happier.
Make me happier. Are you sure?
Yes, when you walk, your body releases endorphins, the happy hormones.
Ah, endorphins. I've heard of those. They're like natural happy pills.
Exactly, and it's not just physical. Walking also helps your mind relax.
So walking is good for the body and the mind.
That's right.
You said you walked this morning. How early did you wake up?
Around 6 a.m.
6? That's still nighttime for me.
Come on, the morning air is fresh, the streets are quiet, and birds are singing.
And Alex is sleeping.
Lazy Alex. You should try walking early just once.
I did once. I woke up early, put on my shoes, and started walking. Then I found a coffee shop and sat there for an hour.
That's not walking, that's waiting.
Well, I walked to the cafe. That counts, right?
No. You need at least 30 minutes of walking to get real benefits.
30 minutes? That's 1.5 TV episodes.
Yes, but it's good for your body. Think of it as an investment in yourself.
That's a nice way to put it.
There are actually many types of walking. Brisk walking, power walking, even hiking.
Power walking? Is that when you walk like a superhero?
Not exactly. It means walking fast, faster than normal but slower than running.
So, like when you're late for work but pretending you're calm.
Yes, exactly like that.
Got it. And hiking, that's walking up mountains, right?
Yes, it's great exercise. Plus, you get amazing views.
I like the view part. The walking part, not so much.
You're hopeless.
I just like walking when I have company. Walking alone feels boring.
I get that, but you can listen to music, audiobooks, or even our channel, Ready Talk.
Oh, that's a good idea. Learn English while walking. Double benefits.
Exactly. Language for the mind, walking for the body. Perfect combination.
So what do I need if I want to start walking for health?
Simple. Comfortable shoes, a bottle of water, and a little motivation.
Motivation is the hardest part.
I know, but once you start, you'll love it.
Do I need special shoes?
Not really, just shoes that feel comfortable and give support.
And what about speed? Do I have to walk fast?
Not at first. You can start slowly, then increase your speed as you get used to it.
So like a warm-up for lazy people.
Something like that.
Okay, let's talk more about the health benefits. You mentioned heart health.
Yes, walking strengthens your heart and improves blood circulation.
So it's good for people with high blood pressure.
Exactly. It helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels.
Wow, and it's free.
Yes, free exercise, the best kind.
Does walking help with weight loss too?
Definitely. Walking burns calories. The faster and longer you walk, the more calories you burn.
So if I walk to the fridge, that doesn't count.
No, Alex. That's called snacking, not exercising.
Okay, fine.
Walking also helps with digestion. After a meal, walking for 10 to 15 minutes can help your stomach.
Oh, I've heard that. My grandma always says, walk after eating or your food will sleep.
That's actually good advice.
You also said walking helps the mind. How does that work?
Well, walking reduces stress, improves your mood, and clears your thoughts.
So if I'm angry, I should walk.
Yes, instead of shouting, go walking. It really helps.
That's why people say walk it off.
Exactly. And walking outside in nature helps even more.
Nature walks are nice. I like trees and fresh air.
Me too. Sometimes I walk in the park just to listen to the birds.
Do you ever talk to yourself while walking?
Sometimes I practice English or sing softly.
I talk to myself too, mostly about food.
Pizza or salad.
Exactly.
Walking with friends can be more fun.
Yes, talking and walking, time passes quickly.
Exactly, and it's safer too.
I remember last month, my cousin and I started walking together every evening.
That's great. How long did you walk?
2 days, then it rained, and we never continued.
Typical Alex. You need consistency.
I know, I need a walk buddy. Maybe you can join me.
Sure, but only if you promise not to stop for snacks every 10 minutes.
No promises.
Then I'll bring carrots for you.
No, carrot punishment. When is the best time to walk, morning or evening?
Both are good. Morning walks are fresh, but evening walks help you relax after work.
So no excuse then.
Exactly. You can choose what fits your schedule.
I think evening suits me better. I can't say goodbye to my bed in the morning.
I know, morning is not your friend.
Maybe I'll start walking at sunset. It's beautiful and not too hot.
That's a great idea. And remember to stretch a little before and after walking.
Stretching, got it. I'll stretch like a cat.
Yes, just don't fall asleep, Mike one.
Sometimes walking alone feels boring. How can I make it fun?
Good question. You can listen to music, audiobooks, or podcasts.
Or Ready Talk.
Yes, perfect for learning and walking.
I could also set goals like 5,000 steps today, 10,000 tomorrow.
Exactly. And you can use a fitness app or a smartwatch to count steps.
That's motivating.
Or walk in different places, parks, beaches, city streets. Change the view.
Walking tourism, I like that.
Yes.
But what about rainy days?
You can walk indoors, around your house, in the mall, or even in place while watching TV.
Walking in place? Like marching?
Yes, it still counts. Movement is movement.
Interesting. And if I'm lazy?
Then start small. Walk 5 minutes, then 10, then more.
Baby steps.
Exactly. Small steps become big changes.
You're starting to sound like a motivational speaker.
Maybe I should start a walking club.
I'll join as the slowest member.
We'll give you the slow but steady badge.
Perfect. Have you ever had a funny experience while walking?
Oh, yes. Once I was walking and talking to myself, practicing English. Suddenly, a man thought I was talking to him.
What did he do?
He said, "Sorry, what did you say?" And I just ran away.
That's hilarious. What about you? One time I was walking with earphones listening to music, and I started dancing a little. People stared at me.
Oh, no.
But I pretended it was exercise.
Smooth recovery. You know, walking also helps the environment.
How?
Because you're not using cars or motorcycles, so you don't create pollution.
Ah, true. Walking saves the planet and saves money.
Yes, healthy for you, healthy for the earth.
We should make a slogan, walk more, worry less.
Nice one. Or walk today, smile tomorrow.
Even better. Okay, let's summarize what we learned today.
Sure. Walking helps your body, heart, muscles, digestion.
And helps your mind, less stress, better mood.
It's free, easy, and good for the planet.
And it gives you time to listen to Ready Talk.
Yes, walk, learn, and laugh.
Wow, walking sounds amazing now.
See, I told you, you just needed the right motivation.
You're right. I'm starting tomorrow.
Tomorrow, not today?
Baby steps, remember?
Okay, I'll remind you.
Well, that was a great talk, Sora. You really convinced me about walking.
I'm glad. Just don't forget to actually walk.
I won't. Maybe I'll even send you a walking selfie.
I'll be waiting.
Thanks for the tips and laughs.
Anytime, and thank you to everyone listening today.
Yes, friends, we hope you enjoyed this fun conversation about walking for health.
We hope you learned some new English words and got inspired to walk a little more.
If you like this talk, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel, Ready Talk, where learning English is fun, simple, and full of laughter.
And sometimes full of walking, too.
Exactly.
All right, everyone. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep walking.
See you next time, and remember, baby steps lead to big changes.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.